Calling all video creators. Guess what Facebook has gone and done? They've created a template specifically for you. Here's how to find it. So you want to go to Settings, just above your cover image or cover video. Then you want to select Edit Page on the left hand side. What you're going to find on the right hand side is Templates. And if you haven't changed this before, you may be on the standard one. But if you want to change the new one, you go to Edit. And then just scroll down, you see Business, Venue, Non-Profit, etc, etc. And then you see Video Creator. So you can select it to view the details. And it says designed to showcase your video, video creators whose focus is building an audience on Facebook. And then it shows you all the features that your template will have. So you have the standard photo and share, the tabs that you have, it lets you know. So you have live videos, of course, videos, photos, groups, post, about, community. So you can go all the way down, and then if you want to select that one, you literally click Apply Template. The reason why you should, because what is great about Facebook is when they do updates that are specific to your business needs or your niche, you will get it instantly. So by being and having the video creator template, anything that they want to update, let's say they start bringing 360 or augmented reality in, you never know what features you may get. So click on it and apply, and just adjust anything that might change or switch on certain tabs that may switch off because you're on the new template. Take care, see you soon.